Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you that I just uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you're all set. Also, if you enjoy the content of a creator, take a second right underneath the video. There's a thumbs up. Press it, it turns blue, the number increases, and then you're helping us grow on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right. Today is a day that I love to be able to share with you guys because it's something that I started doing for myself. I get a lot of the IPSY products. So I get the Glam bag, the Plus, and now the Glam X, but I used to get the Ultimate. So I was always getting, and then there's always these great shopper deals and mystery bags and all that type of product that is in the IPSY family. What I found was happening with the mystery bags, and sometimes I'll still grab them because the bag is so cute, I just want it. But I found that because I get so much from IPSY in all their different levels, that when I was getting the mystery bags, I was getting a lot of items that I've already had the opportunity to try. And so what I started doing for myself was in the add-on section or in the flash sales that I share with you guys when those are available, I try to put together my own kind of customized bag. So I look to put about 4 to 5, sometimes it ends up being 6 if there's a fantastic add-on section. But a lot of times it's within that $3 or 2 for $5 section. And I try to put products in there that I want to try from brands that maybe are new to me or products I've never heard of and things like that. So this is what I call my customized bag. And then I sit down, I get the information, and then I share it with you guys. So if this is something that is a future choice item or it's in future add-ons and it's something that I've had the opportunity to show it to you guys as opposed to it just being a picture on the website, then that's what my customized bags do for me, and hopefully it will do the same thing for you. So that's why you see it that I put up in this little bag, but these add-ons were put into the box that came with my Glam X, which came very, very late in the month of February. I think I was one of the last ones to get it, but it definitely was worth the wait, and I'm so excited that I have the products now that I have the opportunity to play with it. But so I pulled out the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 5. And I pulled out my paperwork that I did on it when we did this on the 2nd of the month. So this is all like new information to me. I put the information down so that when the items come in, it refreshes us more about the information about these products, because like I said, majority of them are ones that are new to me. So the first item that intrigued me that was in the add-ons, and I shared with you in my Glam X, and if you haven't seen that, it's a little bit longer video. I will link it down below in the description box. It's fantastic. But I do more informative videos where I share with you more about the brands, the products. We always do swatches at the end, so if you already saw the swatches, then you won't, you can watch for the information, and then the swatches are at the end. With this one, the Glam X add-ons were different than the add-ons that were in my Glam bag. And the reason being is they had a little banner on it that said exclusive to the Glam X add-ons. So I chose a couple of the items that were in there, but I only wanted to choose 5, and I really wanted to choose the ones that were in the $3 range. And like I said, I shared all that with you, and I always share with you guys everything at the same time that the information becomes available to me. I share it with you guys so that you have access to the same things that I do. It's not me showing you something that you can't access later. So the first item that I thought was really intriguing, and this brought back memories, because this is something that years ago I used to travel with these, not only for perfume, but also for like nail polish remover and things like that. This is from this brand called PinRose, and they're saying it smells like fun. It is a perfume petal party. It is 5 deluxe. They're saying sample sizes, but it's a fragrance set. It says discover colorful and quirky ready to wear perfumes that engage your senses and sense of play. There are 5 scents in this sample pack, and they saying they work together with one another to allow you to personalize your perfume. You could layer, play, and so on and so forth. It says how to use it, just rub, and it's a towelette, and I'm going to show you wherever you usually apply your perfume. It says they're great for handbags, gym bags, and travel. I used to take it when I traveled. There's nothing to break or spill, which is why these are fantastic. And it's about the brand. They're saying PinRose offers perfumes with personality and brings your preferences into play. So the packages came in this nice little container. I think this is really great also for gift giving. And this is, from what I remember, everything I chose was in the $3 section. And then these are what these look like here. So they, one of them says Mystical Misfit. This one says, sorry, I should tell you a little bit more. This one says Mystical Misfit and it says it's a peach, berry, and patchouli. This one is Sun Saint, and it is sea salt, coconut, and lime. This one is called Wild Child, and it is gardenias, jasmine, and I don't know what that is. Frangipani. I don't know what that smells like. And then they have Merry Maker, which is nectarine plum, and tonka bean. Really interesting. And then they have Secret Genius, which is a vanilla, a caramel, and sandalwood. So these all sounded very intriguing to me. And I always like to have these in my arsenal when I travel, because now I travel with rollerball perfumes and things like that. They just make it easier. I used to take those little samples that we used to get from Sephora, but one time it opened and that was the end of that. So I don't like taking big perfume bottles when we travel. So this is, I think, really intriguing, and it brought back such memories, because I also buy, and I used to a long time ago, towelettes like this that also had nail polish remover in it, because I once traveled with a small mini nail polish remover and that literally tore a hole in my whole suitcase when the bottle spilt. So you learn as you as you travel and you get a little bit older. So when you see something like this, I think it's really intriguing. The next item was one that intrigued me because a couple of the girls were getting, and I got it too, but I think I gave it away, and the next time I get it, I'm going to try it. These are the Salt Scalp Scrubs. And a lot of the brands were carrying this really expensive one from Christophe Robin, I think the name was. So if you've had the opportunity to try this one, that would be great. But also if you've tried any type of salt scrub for your scalp, please leave it in the comments down below, because I would love to know your take on it. Because of the few of the girls that I had the opportunity to watch, they talked about theirs and they really, really enjoyed it. Not this brand, but a salt scrub. So when I saw one available, I grabbed it. So this is a scalp scrub. They're saying the scalp scrub helps detoxify your pores, removes buildup, and relieves dryness and dandruff thanks to a bamboo charcoal. It's known for its ability to draw out toxins, mineral-rich gray sea salt, and soothing tea tree oil. And tea tree oil is really, really great if you have dandruff or your scalp gets a lot of buildup. Tea tree is fantastic. And I like the smell of the tea tree too. How to use it, it says section off your hair and apply throughout your scalp, then use your fingers to gently massage to exfoliate, then wash with shampoo and condition as usual. So it's a real treatment. So they're saying this is also good for curly, coily, straight hair, oily hair, or dry scalps. This stuff is amazing for all types. They're saying this is also a Korean root meets Parisian cool. KOSETTE infuses the best of K-beauty with the classic French elements for one-of-a-kind beauty products. So this has one of those little spouts, which is fantastic if they're telling us to section off the hair, because then it makes it easier to go exactly where you want it to go. I'm just going to put a little bit out here so that we can see what the consistency is and what it smells like. Oh, you can really smell the tea tree oil. So like I said, I'm really, really excited. I like the way that that spout is. It'll make it a lot easier to apply. And really excited. You feel a little bit of the granules in here. So that's probably the sea salt. And tea tree has like a menthol type of invigoration to it that I absolutely, absolutely love. And you're gonna almost feel like your scalp open up. And I think it's in a good way, you know, like refreshing. Really, really excited to get that. All right, so that's that. Then there's this other item that I got is from this brand called This Works. And This Works I received a long time ago in an ultimate box. It was a spray that was supposed to help calm you. It spilled all over my box, so we had that calming scent. Our home smelled like a spa for way over a month, which was unbelievable. But this one is supposed to be, is called In Transit Camera Closeup. This is a moisturizer, but it's saying it can be a multitasker. It is a 3-in-1 moisturizer, primer, and mask. It's your one-stop shop for photo-ready skin. Use it in the morning or at night or before your makeup application to plump up your fine lines, minimize your redness and your discoloration, and create a smooth, even canvas for makeup. It says massage it into your clean skin before your makeup application. It's 100% cruelty-free. And it says they created this targeted sleep skincare wellness solution that delivers on their promise, working with your natural body clock to support and maximize your skin performance 24 hours a day. So like I said, this works. How I got introduced to it was that spray, which I said was very relaxing. It has a safety seal on here. So let's see if I can grab it and open it. Yeah, we were okay there. And I'm just going to put a little bit in on my hand here. I have it on the same hand as the tea tree, so I'm not sure if there is a scent to this. I don't think so, but don't, you know, there might be a minor one, but it's not one that is overpowering. So that's what that looks like here. And oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful moisturizer, but you can feel that you can definitely use this as a primer because it's not the type that sinks into your skin automatically. It's one that I think will take its time to go in there. So I think that's really, really nice. So really excited about that. The next one got me so excited. And for some reason, the way I read it, and maybe it's because, you know, there's been so much on the nude with Biden and the first female, you know, vice president in United States, that when I saw the name of this, I thought they were talking about her, but it's not. It is, this one is called Karmela. Karmela, and it's 2 lipsticks. But when I saw them and they came in, I was over ecstatic with what I ended up getting, and it's through me thinking it was something else. So this is a Silky matte lipstick. I got it in 2 colors. I got it in High Vibe, which is the red, and I got it in Bitten, which is supposed to be a rosy nude. They're saying these are deluxe samples, but to me, these look like full size. And I'll go up close with the packaging on it. It is just gorgeous. You see the K embossed within. It's just really, really chic. Really, really impressed with this. So this says it is a matte lipstick. It's made with good for you minerals, oils, antioxidants, and vitamins, and coats your lips in an ultra pigmented, bold, either the red color or this rosy nude, that lasts for hours without drying out your lips. It's a win-win if you ask them. They're saying apply it directly to your lips for a bold wash of color. They're saying it's made without GMOs, sulfates, petrochemical chemicals, synthetics, fragrances, talc, etc. They're saying this Karmela, spelled K-A-R-M-E-L-A Cosmetics, is dedicated to supporting women. They donate 10% of their net profits from every lipstick to organizations devoted to women's healing and empowerment, which is also really nice. All right, so let's take a look and do some swatches. Love this. And this one is called High Vibe. High, am I saying it right? I think it's High Vibe. High Vibe. And that's what this looks like here. So like I said, it is definitely a full size lipstick. This is definitely not a sample size. And it has like a matte type of look to it. It's that gorgeous, gorgeous red. Let's do some swatching of this. I'm just gonna put it down a little bit and then we'll just do like that. That's a couple of swatches, and then right beside it, I just do the one, but it's just as vibrant. Really, really pretty. So it pretty much is that one swipe lipsticks, which I love. And it's got a matte, but it feels creamy on the lips. So there's a little bit of a shine, which is what I like. I like satin lipsticks. And then this is, oh, that's that perfect color. And then this is what they're calling that rosy nude. And it is in, what did I say? Bitten? Bitten. So that's what this looks like here. We'll do the double like we just did there. And then we'll do the one right beside it there. So you see. So you could see the little bit of the rosy undertone to it, which I like because that's like almost the color of your lips, but better. And then if you want just one swipe, that's what that looks like there. So really, really excited that I ended up with these, but I really thought, and it probably was because it was so on my mind about her that I was so excited to be able to get something. But like I said, this is Karmela. So a little bit different, but still fantastic. So we got these 2 lipsticks. So 2 lipsticks, we got this moisturizer primer, we got the Salt Scalp, as well as the PinRose take with you type of refresheners that have those fantastic scents to it. So like I said, this is my customized bag that I do through IPSY add-ons. All of these were, you know, the $3 section, so $15. I ended up with my own customized bag, and it's all products that I got to use for myself. So it's something that I like to do, and I think If there's anything in there that you've had the opportunity to try in that section, please share in the comments ones that you found that are your new finds. And then if you've had the opportunity to try any of the ones that I chose, please leave in the comments how you've been enjoying them, because as you know, my box came so late, I haven't had a chance to play with any of these. And now we're so close to the following month that these are probably only going to get tried a little bit later. So as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, as you know, I like to end all my videos with that everybody should continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well and we can all enjoy. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.